What's up, people? What's going on? So it's me, Vasori. I am in my spiritual kitchen about to cook my jerk cabbage, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm eating a little healthy today, trying to vibe, get my energy together, drinking lots of water, chilling out. Let me show you guys how I do this thing. Now, I do not feel like cutting up a bunch of cabbage. This is an easy option. Get the cabbage with the carrots and the red cabbage and the green cabbage in the bag, already made, already cut up for you. This is what I use. So you're gonna need a bag of this. I have a orange pepper, a green pepper, a red pepper, and a yellow bell pepper. You're gonna need a little bit of salt, jerk seasoning, whatever option that you like. I like this powder form. I do use the wet form as well. Whatever that you like. You're gonna need some olive oil and a pat of butter. Okay? So you're gonna cut everything up. And I kind of like chunky vegetables, so I'm gonna leave my veggies kind of chunky like. Now these are sweet. Orange is sweet. Red is sweet. And I'll cut mine up in strips. I already washed them off before I got on camera. So I think orange is very sweet. I think the red is super sweet. I kind of rough chop them because I like rough cut vegetables. And I love to see my vegetables in anything that I cook. So this is the red. Red is sweet as well. Cut this off. If you don't like spice at all, not that I think it's hot, but cut the seeds out. So this is the red. It's going to be a very colorful jerk cabbage. So I'm cutting everything. And that's the red. And I usually cut out all that white membrane in the inside. Cut up the red. I said I'm gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna start making my stuff at home. This is the yellow, which is very sweet as well. It's not spicy at all, not to me. I'm gonna cut out the membrane on this as well. And then I just woke up today saying, I want to eat healthy. Not want to eat healthy, but today I just choose to not eat anything too processed because of the energy that fresh vegetables give me. I decided to go a little fresh. So I'm cutting up the yellow bell peppers. So you have orange, red, yellow, and then we have the green. And this is a very quick option. And if you want to go vegetarian option, this is what it is. And then this is the green pepper. Green peppers have not, they're no kick. I can take a little spice, so it doesn't bother me that much. Cut the membrane out of this one. This is my last one. Get those chopped up. All right. So they say you're supposed to eat from what they call the color wheel. This is what we mean. So I have the orange, the yellow, green, and red peppers to go on my jerk cabbage. Okay. So next, you're gonna need a flat skillet with a lid. And that's what the cabbage looks like, very thin. And it also has the other vegetables. I add carrots. Now, one other thing that you can add in here is onions. I don't feel like cutting up onions right now, so you can add onions. It is very good in it. So let's get started. On 7 or 8, if you have numbers, you're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, about that much, just to coat the bottom of the pan. You're gonna add a pat or 2. So I put 1. I'm probably gonna let's put 2 in here of butter and let that melt. So now the butter has melted. You're gonna add in all of your peppers. And you're gonna let those cook for a little bit to get soft. You're gonna add some salt. To the mix. And you're gonna stir fry these a couple of minutes. I'm gonna add a little pepper as well. You're gonna stir fry them in the butter and let them saute just until they get a little soft. All right, so now that I have let these simmer for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna add in the cabbage. Add the bag of cabbage. And then after you add the cabbage, you're gonna add just a little bit of water. Not a lot. Probably about a teaspoon or 2. Now you're gonna add the jerk seasoning on top. Add as much as you want. You know, jerk seasoning is a little spicy, so I like it like that. So I'm gonna add that. You don't need much salt, y'all. So don't put a lot of salt. Jerk seasoning has enough. That's enough. And then you're gonna saute. Stir it up a little bit. And you do not have to add any more water because you don't want it to be watered down. Okay? You only add the water if need be. So right now, you see how it looks? Looks very good, I know. So now I'm gonna place the lid on top. I'm gonna turn it down to about 7 and let it cook in its own juices. All right, guys, it is ready. Let me bring you over here so you can see how colorful and pretty this cabbage is. Okay, see it? All these veggies, y'all. Ooh, look at that. So here we go. Yeah. Baby. Y'all better make this. Make this. If you like spicy, if you love cabbage, you love peppers, add onions to it, you can eat this just like this. This is me, Vasori. All right, guys, make this. Let me know in the comments if you made this dish, and I'll be back with another one. Catch you later. Blessings.